The Firefox Facebook container helps to isolate Facebook's ability to track you. It is very handy for even people who don't use Facebook, because whenever a Facebook share button or anything to do with Facebook shows up, this will alert you and help you to know that Facebook is present on this page right here. Besides using the regular tracking prevention tools on Firefox, which I talked about in my other video, use Facebook container to prevent Facebook from tracking you around the web. Obviously, this is a little more for people who use Facebook, and of course, I don't recommend using it. However, if you must use Facebook or even visit Facebook, use Firefox Facebook container. I'll post some links in the description below besides the regular link to this, and you can read more down there. Now I'm going to demo how the Facebook container works by going to a website that has a Facebook tracker on it. Up in the corner, you'll see that we protected you from Facebook. Facebook buttons that appear on shopping, news, and other sites contain trackers that tell Facebook where you've been on the web. Even if you never use these buttons or like or share, the trackers can still collect data about your browsing. Facebook container blocks these trackers. And let's see if we can find where that button is. It looks like it's right there. It's likely the one that it is blocking. And that's basically what will happen on, a lot of sites that you go to. It'll let you know that there was a specific Facebook tracker. It looks like it's also been blocked in here. However, this is designed for if you went to Facebook to give you the extended protection. So that is the Facebook tracker. I suggest you guys use it even if you don't use Facebook, because it will give you that edge against Facebook tracking. Thanks for watching. My name's Derek, and this is Firefox Tech.